Hello internet, how are you? I am back with another useful content. Today's content that I want to share is that how to make your computer secure without before using any antivirus, whether it is free or paid, or at least 95% virus proof like Mac or Linux. It is inbuilt in Microsoft since Windows Vista days, but for no reasons I don't know, reasons unknown. I have to say reasons unknown. Nobody uses this thing, and they normally I have seen many users since I'm a security. I work in a security company, so I have seen in many desktops, many PCs, they themselves, okay, they themselves intentionally, okay, um, turn that off. One setting that can ruin their life, which Microsoft has given. Now I will show a proof. suppose some malware Suppose some malware. Now my machine is clean, I know, by I have scanned with it pen pro or anything, with MC solve emergency kit. Okay, that video I will make in the next tutorial, but today's tutorial is not about that. Suppose some malware infest your system and go to like this, like changes some settings. I am changing here, but malware can also change settings. So how would you know that malware is changing or you are changing? That's very important. Suppose Windows firewall. This is so I am this is C. So I want to that malware wants to attack your system, or a hacker wants to attack your system, or maybe a Trojan wants to put off the firewall. So it will go and go here. I'm zooming in. Okay, I am acting like a malware, but I am even any user. So why you give any users or any other thing to do this kind of thing? When I go here, turn Windows firewall on or off, see, no prompts comes. It directly gives me access to on and off. So why to give this type of access is not there in Mac, not there in Linux, so why in Windows? So I always emphasize, and that's the most important thing for making me video, whether I'm using a pro video recorder or something, screen recorder, or that's not the issue. But the issue is that I want to share this thing, why users are not using that thing, that is given in the system by Microsoft for your security. You are not using that thing and you are accusing Microsoft about that blah 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 thing, privacy and that thing. These are all stupid things. Okay, but some things I'm not saying others is stupid. I'm saying that without any reason, any valid reason, how can you call a company that, okay, we all know that Google, Apple, okay, or any other company, when a shopping company like Amazon or something, through Ubuntu collects private data. That's all we know, and all free programs. Okay, like here I am using, in for example, here I'm a bit lover, a bit defender, so I'm using this product, a free product. Since I'm a home user, I don't need anything. So this is security product, very important. But here also this Bitdefender asks me to log in with Google. Then I have logged in, I have make a temporary account and logged in with Google. So they will collect some data. This is called OAuth in security language. OAuth, it's okay, no problem. But this type of things, if you allow this type of things, then it's very bad. Now how to avoid this type of thing? To avoid this type of, very easy. It's very easy. That's the topic of today's video. That's the topic of today's video is that That's the topic of today's video is that you have to go to, I'm zooming in, you have to go to you have to make users, two users. One, the hidden administrator account is there, you have to activate that, and another is to remove your administrator rights from your normal account. That means you should be a standard user, not a power user, and other credentials should be locked with a password with admin account. So when I will do it, you all will understood that thing, I hope. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to my computer, go to manage here. Okay, go to manage, and then it will open this utility, computer management utilities. All things are there within the operating system, but the guidance is not there. The guidance is there in YouTube. I see YouTube lots of rubbish videos. Why not they make good videos? The so-called the so-called they uses, there's so many recorders, editors, okay, but the content is absolutely nonsense, like Windows activators. So many videos, fake videos are there. Okay, so make genuine videos. I am not saying that I am the one that making this thing, but I'm started doing this thing. Even I have got no equipment. See, I am doing it to my hand. So I don't have a tripod, anything. So because I am not a pro YouTuber. I just do things for sharing, for my own sake. I don't want to earn money. I am earning money enough. I don't want to earn money through YouTube. So but I want to share my knowledge, whatever I have gathered, and to express those things to that broadcast yourself. No, YouTube's motto is there. So that thing is there. Okay, so I am going too far. So let's come to the topic is that, again, you have to go to the my computer manage. This screen will pop up, and then you go to local users and groups. So then go to users. Again, sorry for the background sound. I am in home, so that sound will be there always. I can't do anything. So that you see administrator account is always disabled. Right click this, go to properties, and just make it enable. Just uncheck disable and hit on apply. Click on OK. Then set a password. I am setting a password. Just give a password, not numeric and alphanumeric mixer of that. I am giving my own password here. So I am giving say this 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 and this. So then again this, sorry, this and this. Only 5 things. Okay, so it's a secret, super secret password. Okay, so and the password has been set. So second thing is, go to your account, which account you are logged in. Okay, my account is this account. I have logged in Microsoft account, but normal account is this. Okay, and go to this account and go to properties here. Okay, go to member of, this member of. Okay, click on that, and you see administrator and home users. Home users is okay, but remove. Click on this and go to remove it. Okay, and then also remove it. Okay, remove it. Then click on add button here. Click on add button, then go to advanced, then go to find now, then find normal user. Okay, from below normal user, then click on OK. It will come normal user. Click on OK. Okay, and then apply and OK. That's it. Now whenever, and that's it, the step is over. Whenever you, then after that you have to restart your computer. Then you see 2 accounts, administrator account and your own account, that's whatever it is, normal or Microsoft account. So you log in with your Microsoft account, but now you are a normal user. If you go to change your firewall setting or any setting, you will ask for the administrator credentials. Okay, that UAC prompt will come, And the second thing, the video is not ended yet. The second thing is, again you have to go to control panel. Okay, okay, so go to control panel here and go to category view here. Go to category view and go to user accounts and safety, and go to user accounts, and then go to manage user accounts and control settings. And it is by default like this, but I want to make this, because see what is written here: apps try to install software to make changes to my computer, some apps. Okay, so it needs my permission, then I make changes. Even I make changes, I need to permission of the administrator. So here it is clearly written by Microsoft, not by me, that recommended if you routinely install new software, which I am routinely install new software, or any other user in 2018 recommended if you routinely install new software and visit unfamiliar websites. So by doing this thing, click on OK. Okay, that UAC prompt will come, but next time with this UAC prompt you will get password prompt also. Okay, which I cannot show right now. Maybe in later video I will show, but you will see in my later videos that prompt will come, because I will make this video in this laptop only. So that thing will for later videos. So click on yes, and that's it. That's two things will make your computer like Linux or any Mac computer. So why I have made this video, that everybody says that Windows is not secure, Mac is secure because it asks for password, Linux is asking for password for a thing, Windows is just comes with UAC when some users themselves themselves uh, disable the UAC prompt. Okay, make to make, and some ironical, the some I have seen in YouTube that some wants to make their laptop faster by turning it down. This is absolutely nonsense. So hope you guys like this video. If this video helps you in attaining security, I will make a free security suite for what I use. I will make that video, that how to protect your Windows laptop or a desktop for free, and your web browsing thing for absolute 100%. I said 100%, not 99.99%, 100% web protection will be there, and that video will coming up next. So stay with me, stay secure, stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy, and stay peace. If you don't like the video, give us a thumbs down. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be in very soon, I will be in a new avatar with something new, screen recorders and all you can see. But right now, for this moments, for some videos, you have to bear with me with this kind of thing. Until and unless the content is good, I think my message should be conveyed to you, all respected YouTubers. Thank you very much for watching this video, and greetings and salutations, and have peace. Thank you.